GNS making a very impressive run to the upside. Now, we're going to go ahead and pull up some receipts. We're going to go ahead and pull up the history here, right? So that we can understand exactly what's been going on with GNS, right? I have a lot of people right here telling me that I have been incredibly incorrect, right? So let's go ahead and just pull up those receipts now. Okay, so first of all, let's go ahead and just take a look at this chart right here, team. Just so that you can see just how much of a paid basher I am, right? Yeah, right. No, sir. No, sir. No, sirree. So what you're looking at here is, in fact, the daily chart for GNS. I have been charting GNS since 57 cents. This is my first entry right here. I have not traded it. This was, in fact, just for the community because I have a lot of people from my 14,000 followers. I have a lot of people who are along this asset, and I am protecting them. I don't care about your emotions. If you're not a part of the ARCa Bulls team, I don't care. This is for them. This has never been for you. All right. So this is what I'm talking about here. I initially suggested potential support bottom at 56.87, right down here. That was my line. That was the breakout suggestion right here. My targets have been met thus far. All right. So now just so you can actually hear it for yourself. All right. Here you go. Here's the first one. What I do like, however, is that it's probably breaking out of this falling wedge, right? So within the daily time frame. So just like this, right? We're currently facing the resistance once again, and this would be your bottom side support, and it's still kind of respecting the range out of that wedge, right? So it's still looking pretty good. So this is test 1, 2, 3, of course, 4, and it doesn't have to follow the golden rule of 3, particularly on triangles, right? But in this case, it feels like it does want to follow it. So reaccumulation here, potential bottom side, I think could be at about 56.71. The range, of course, right? 56.71 to I'll just leave it out of the way. I'll put it in there for you. I meant 56.71, okay? To 57.91. So let me adjust. Okay, 56.87 to be, to be pretty. Yeah, I would say the top side of 57.99. That's the adjusted range. And this is not to say that we would face this and correct all the way. In fact, we don't even have. Let me try to connect this as best as I could. Okay, at about 60%. I personally, and this is on a daily, right? It very well could break out of this. It's already at a mature enough level, but if you're considering a true breakout, then they could be maybe on August 15th, August 14th, this area. If we can get that, then that's a lot better. But if it does happen today, then so be it, right? But and you know how to take your targets, right? Go ahead and just make sure to take the top end of your formation, right, all the way to the lower end, which could be right about here if you connect them, right? And this would be your top side target to kind of look at based on let's just say that we were to break out today, right? And that would mean that the Monday candle would be the official breakout candle that would take us upwards of about 122. 122. All right, so let's look at the target that we ended up getting. Here's that line. We ended up getting a top side of what? We can see the high right up there, 99 cents. This is the trend line here that we drew from back here. This was the one that ended up with that $1.22 suggestion of where we closed this candle here at, you can see it right up here on the OHLC. We closed that candle at 119 after reaching a top side and our range between the area of 129 to 137. So let's put it this way. Let's just put it this way. If you were to gain entry from where I said to gain entry, which is the 56.87 bottom, and I took you from this point to the 121 area that I suggested, I pretty much took you on a ride of 112% to the upside. What basher do you see here? What basher do you see? Nobody. No, you don't. That's right. So check this out. This was my second target. This was my second target right here. Bam. We got that touch right at that top side of 153 to 150, 170% to the upside. Before you know it, I was already talking about this range here before you even knew what GNS was. So you're talking to me and calling me a paid basher, and you're telling me that this, no. You've been way out of the game, my dude. You've been way out of it. All right. I've been calling this target here between 223 and 277 for weeks. For weeks, my dude. I am talking about a potential pullback that I was calling on Friday. I am protecting 14,000 followers here that I know a large amount of them are long this asset. I want to make sure that I do not perform recklessly. I want to make sure that my ARCa Bulls community gets protected. I am not going to perform recklessly, and I'm not going to perform based on getting paid for bashing. Please. I led you to 170% already, and we touched this top side of my target range. What does that tell you? I led a 335% move to the upside. With me saying, please be careful on Friday after we closed 160% up. Please. No. I am not the person that you think I am. I am actually not a paid basher, and I really am here for my community. Those who know, comment below. Let me know. All right. So you want some more receipts? Check this out. We can continue, man. To 77.87. Okay, that could be a pretty strong area of resistance. I've been guiding it bit by bit, all the way, day by day, every single day. Something here. Every day I've been charting this. And see if we can, hold on just a sec. I said 77.87 there. Check this out. Watch the price action. I'm gonna react to this right now. Watch the price action. Watch it. Watch it. 77.87 grab. And a quick review of how bam, right there. Did against the actual results, and then what happens? Are you able to hear that, team? Right, and then join me. See that? Tonight, 8:30 Central, 9:30 Eastern. Please. No. The charts don't work. Bullshit. No, sir. All right, here we go. Listen. So yeah, we have to combat this this SMA 200 and close a daily candle upside of this area in order for us to validate a continuation. The next stop would be 121. Bam. The next stop would be 121. What do you think we got? Absolutely. We definitely got it. All right. So, and, oh man, if I can even tell you, man, there's even a video where I have here from the macro perspective in this. And you know what? Actually, that is right over here. I think it is at the 43 mark. And this is where I think I may have officially called it here. Right to where I was telling you guys that this is macro bullish. And this would likely experience a massive upside. I want to make sure that I just pull up. You know what? Hold on. I just want to make sure that I pull up the receipts for y'all. That's it. Look at it. GNS is still triggering an upside. Let's go ahead and see. I mean, what am I supposed to do here? Right? How am I gonna ever convince you that I'm not that paid pumper that you think I am? I actually, look, if you're curious about this, I'm just going to get the video out of the way because I don't know exactly where I said it, but I'm going to show you this just so that you know that I've been looking at this for quite some time. Weekly time frame before we made the upside. Before this upside was made, I called this inverted hammer. I said in my video that GNS is macro bullish and it is ready to make an extreme upside. And this is probably going to be a V-shaped recovery, thus pointing out the targets of in where we are right now. All right. So just for that respect, I know that my ARCa Bulls family will show up to my live stream tomorrow morning. That is it for this. For those of you who thought you were going to get the answers, you're not going to get the answers here. If you want to come by and figure out what I'm seeing live, then you'll go ahead and experience the magic as I make it happen live. All right. So, but in this video, thanks to all of you who you're talking your mad shit, you're not going to get nothing. All right. Well, thanks so much for joining. Peace.